Is this what?
Well, I was going to say, all right. So now you've gone through methods. There was a question that came up several times with people asking about, can we return multiple things back?
No. A return value is called a return value, not a return list, for a reason. A return value may only return a single thing. Now, that thing can be anything you want. And when we get into week 6, you will see, or you'll find a very easy way to mimic the behavior of returning multiple items. But you're actually not returning multiple items. You can't do that in C#. It would be very, very confusing. So now that I'm jumping back into, where are you? Here you are. Hopefully the code that we have here is starting to make a little bit more sense. Where we have an example of a method that not only does it accept input, but it also produces a result. And that result is of type decimal. So we see an example of the method definition down here. We also have 3 examples of the method invocation. In each one of the method invocations, not only do we store the result of those unique method invocations into different variables so that we can use them later, but we also provide 3 unique sets of input into the method so that it behaves slightly differently every time it's invoked. So again, we have interdecimal 1. When I receive this input, that input isn't coming from this string right here. This string is being threaded into this method through the prompt parameter and being written out to the console by line 25. Same with decimal 2, same with decimal 3. So hopefully people are getting a better idea of what's going on here.